Hi buddies, it's me, Titi. Today we are going to add to our collection of Halloween decorations. And this time we are going to make a bat and a mummy. These little guys will make a great addition to your Halloween decor. Let's begin by making the bat. I'm going to use some purple construction paper. So line up a toilet paper roll with the end of the paper, get out your ruler, and draw a straight line. Now carefully cut along this line. This is what we're going to wrap around our roll to make it purple. Affix your construction paper onto the roll using a piece of tape. Then roll the paper around the roll and attach it using another piece of tape. This makes the body of our bat. Let's put the roll to the side for the moment. Take some black construction paper. I'm going to fold the paper in half so that I can cut out 2 wings at once. I want it to kind of curve out, and then I'll just make sort of jagged wings that come in like this. I'm going to take my scissors and cut along the line I drew. And now I have 2 identical bat wings. I'm going to use a little bit more of my black paper, and I'm going to make 2 little triangle-shaped horns for my bat. Now let's take a little bit of red and let's make a mouth for our bat. So I'll cut out a little half moon shape for the mouth, and I will cut out another half moon inside to make the mouth shape. That's a nice little happy smile. And the last feature we need to cut out is some fangs. So I'm gonna take my white paper here and I'm just gonna cut 2 little sharp pointy fangs. So using a hot glue gun, I'm gonna put just a little dab of glue at the top of each fang. If you don't have a hot glue gun at home, don't worry, you can use whatever type of regular glue that you like. However, keep in mind that it will take a little bit longer to dry. Now affix your fangs onto the mouth. Time to take our bat body back. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is put on a couple of googly eyes. I'll just put a couple of globs of glue in the center, and now I'll place the eyeballs down. Now let's put the horns on our bat. I'll put a little blob of glue at the bottom of each horn and place it on the top. Now I'm gonna put the mouth on next. I'll put a little bit of glue on the mouth and stick it on. That's a very happy bat. Now to make the wings. And the first thing I'm gonna do is take one of the wings and bend it forward towards me. That will help the wing stick out once it's placed on the bat body. Now I'm just gonna do a few more little accordion folds. Fold it forward and back, forward and back. But that will give the wings a little bit more shape. And now repeat the process in reverse on this side. Fold the wing towards you and then do your accordion folds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have 2 cool wings that are ready to stick onto our bat. So I'll bring our bat back over here, and I'll take my hot glue gun once more, and I'll apply a thin strip of glue onto the back of the wing. And I'll press it into place on one side where I want the wing to go. I'll repeat that for the other wing on the other side. And I'll line it up and try to place it as a mirror image to the other wing. And our bat is finished! Take a look at that! Let's move on to our mummy. I've got another roll here, which this time I'm going to cover with white paper. Line up your roll with one end of the paper, take your ruler and draw a line. Now take your scissors and cut. And now to roll it up. Tape down your paper and roll it up. And now with one more piece of tape, press it down, and now your roll is covered. Now since mummies are usually covered in fabric, what we're gonna do to cover our mummy is actually take some toilet paper and we're just going to cut it into lines. I'm gonna cut my strips approximately ½ an inch wide. Varying the thickness of your lines gives your mummy a little bit more texture and I think a little bit more personality. Now we've got our wrappings, let's attach them onto our mummy. Take take one of your strips and glue it down onto your mummy. I'll just put a little blob of glue right here, and I'll stick the end of the strip there. Now just wrap it around. I like to wrap it around sort of unevenly, leaving gaps and going back and overlapping, because I think it makes my mummy look better. When you get to the end of the strip, another blob of glue, and press it down. Continue the process with the rest of the strips until your mummy is covered just how you like. The last step of our mummy is to put on some googly eyeballs. So I'm going to apply the glue onto the eyeballs and then place the eyeballs where I believe they should go on the face. And now our mummy's done! So now we have a mummy, a super cool vampire bat, and we have our friends that we made last time. Our jack-o'-lantern and our Frankenstein monster. What a crew of Halloween decorations! Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a fabulous time making these fun Halloween decorations, and I hope you will also enjoy making them to give your home a little bit of Halloween pizzazz. Happy Halloween! I'll see you again soon!